Hello, in this video, we will present a case study on reusable graphics functions. Often, we need to draw a line between 2 points, display text or a small point at a specified location. We can put all this into reusable function. So we're going to draw a line from point at x1, y1 to a point at x2, y2. So you can write this function. It is total dot pan up. Go to this x1, y1. And now total dot pan down. Go to x2, y2. So this is to draw a line. Write a text at the specified location. We have this pan up. Now go to, so this is total dot, go to x, y. Pan down. Now you can write total dot right s. Draw a point. Total dot pan up. Go to x, y. Pan down. And now draw this using this field with this color here is the using this total dot fill begin, and this is total dot fill end. Now we're going to use the functions in the useful total functions module to write a useful program. So this is the program I'm going to write. We're going to have this, this is the text, testing useful total functions. So we're going to draw a line and draw a circle and draw a dot and draw a rectangle. So let's do this and all these functions. So we have the functions draw a rectangle, we have functions draw a circle, and we have this functions draw point. So all of this, let's put it into use. Import total from useful total functions, import all the functions. So we're going to draw a line at this, starting from -50, -50 to +50 and +50. So this is a line. And draw a text, and this is the text is at this location. Here is testing useful total locations. Draw at this center. Draw this point. Draw a circle. This is the circle, and draw a rectangle centered at this center. That is all for this case study on creating reusable graphics functions. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.